Just look at all those seeds. They're like, plant me, and I'm like, ooh, I got you, baby boo. You. Okay, let me know in the comments if you used to collect these. Let me show you. I got red bell pepper seeds dried up from yesterday's lunch prep, and as for this container, I'll turn this into a baby seed planter. The gold film is actually pretty soft, so check out what I'll do with this one. Okay, so what exactly am I doing? I am poking holes because the gold film is soft and the plastic tray would be perfect for holding water. I'm gonna make a self-watering seed planter. You can use anything to poke holes, but in this video I'm using an old voltage tester I stole from my dad's toolbox. And PS, I found this very therapeutic. And so as you can see, the water will seep through the holes. And now check out the combination. What a perfect combo. Now fast forward, I put some soil in, putting the babies in the crib because that's my business. And now just imagine you are blanketing these seeds. All right, use those fingers to better use. Blanket those seeds, not too deep, not too shallow, just perfect. If you have any more questions regarding this, you can just ask me. Put it down in the comment section below. Now my favorite part, cue in the slow-mo. Wow, look at that. H2O. Okay, now, okay, I'm putting the seed planter inside, and now enjoy this time lapse. I chose this method because it's way more gentle, perfect for baby seeds, because remember, these seeds are babies, they need more TLC. Now for these other seeds, they're just gonna sit tight because I know exactly what I'll do with them. But for now, we are gonna add this to our collection. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Seeds are all around you, so you just gotta start planting shit. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. You. You.